Welcome to the seventh video of visualization in Python series. In this video, we are going to see how we can plot a bar chart by using seaborn and matplotlib. First, I will import all the necessary libraries like pandas, matplotlib, and seaborn. After that, I will create one random data frame. And if I check for the data frame, so this is my data frame. It has information like region, product, year, sales, expense, and profit. So let's see how we can plot a bar chart on this. So before that, what is bar chart? So bar chart is a visual tool that used bar to show and compare the data among different category or groups. So bar chart is basically used for comparison for categorical and numerical column. So it's used for categoric and numeric column information comparison. So by using bar chart, we can get the visualization of the categorical data in comparison with the numerical column. So let's see how we can plot that. So I will use seaborn libraries sns.barplot. Within that data is my data frame. Then in x-axis I want to show the, like, if I want to show the region, so I will give, I want in x-axis my region. Then in y-axis I want sales. So in y-axis I want the sales to be represented. Then if I plot this, I got one error, that is y is yes in so sales, yeah. Then here, yeah, x-axis region and y-axis my sales. So represent the region in x-axis and sales in y-axis, and I get the sales for every region. So this is how we can plot a bar chart. So if I don't want this, this is called as confidence interval line. So if I don't want that line, I can just use ci is equal to false. So if I run this, I don't get that line. Then this is about a bar chart. Then for example, if in this categorical data I have one more categorical feature like the product, if I want to show for each region and each product, I have one option that is called as HUE. If I give HUE as my that product, okay, HUE as my product, it will show the bar for each product in each region. So if I run this, yeah, I got the product. In south, I have the product like A, B, C. A is represented in green and B is represented in blue and the C is represented in orange slightly. So this is how I can get the all the region, and in each region I can get the information like the product. So this is how we can plot a bar chart, and we can do some customization bar chart according to our data set. Then so by default the bar chart shows the average of sales. So here we can see that in south the product piece sold this much. The sales is represented like the nearly 580. So this by default show in the average. So if I want the sum of that, I have to use the estimator. So by default, the estimator is the mean. If I want to change, I can change it to sum like this. So if I run this, yeah, I now the sales is changed to 500 to the 5000 like that. So it shows the all the sales. So this is how we can do some customization. So this is about bar chart. So bar chart is used to show the category and the numerical column comparison. We can get the visualization in the bars. So by default it show in a mean. If I want to change, I have to change the estimator. By using HUE, we can customize to the categorical, like here in my case I have to get the information for each product in each column. So this is how we can do some customization. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.